Well, another foam issue. Look at that. See that crack? Pretty sure this is the noise. Take this panel out. Give me 1 second. So this is an older car. This is a 20, I ain't gonna call it old, but 2016 GT350. And look at that, nothing's holding this down. Foam is completely broken. I need to check this on my car. If you got an S550, S650 chassis, just take this panel off. It's right here. And just check the foam. This foam's moving around, you're gonna hear it rubbing up against the body. You can kind of hear it now. Worth inspecting, it won't cost you anything. Just pull the panel off and just look at it. Look at that. Crazy. We'll go road test it, see if the noise goes away. It's probably worth looking at the other side too, but he's complaining about this side, so we're gonna fix what he's complaining about first.